Hey D&D sports fans, today we're going to look at upgrade parts for your Rustler 4x4, including shocks, aluminum parts, and electronics. First part we're going to look at is Traxxas number 6832, which is your front caster blocks. These retail for $39.95 and they come in green, red, and blue. Next part is Traxxas number 6837, which is your steering blocks, and these retail for $30 and they also come in green, red, and blue. The next is Traxxas part number 1952, which is your rear axle carriers, and these also come in green, red, and blue. Part number 7490, which is a motor plate, comes in green and blue and they retail for $7. Next is our shock caps. That is part number 3767. These retail for $14 for the set of 4, and they come in green, red, blue, and they also have pink. Then we have part number 1747, which is the colored lug nuts. Those are green, blue, and pink, and these retail for $7.50. Now let's look at our shocks. First one is part number 7461, which is your long GTR shocks, and these retail for $40 for a pair of 2, and they come in a black, green, and blue. The next one is part number 7462, which is an extra long GTR shock, and again, these retail for $40 also for a set of 2, and they come in black, green, and blue. And the last set of shocks I want to look at are the big bore shocks, which are part number 5862. You get 4 of these fully assembled with the spring for $70, and all the shocks I'd mentioned here also come with shock oil so that they can be filled prior to you using them. Now let's look at some driveline upgrades for your Rustler. The first one is your front ring gear, which is part number 5379. And these retail for $45. And then you have your rear ring gear, which is part number 6879, and this also retails for $45. Then we have some upgraded drive shafts. For the front of your Rustler is 6851, and for the rear is 6852, and both of these parts retail for $80. And the last thing I want to look at is upgrading some of our electronics. And the first one I want to talk about is part number 2075X, which is a waterproof digital high torque metal gear servo, and they retail for $60. Or part number 2255, which is a waterproof digital high torque brushless servo, and those retail for $99.99. Then you have the cooling fan, which mounts to your speed controller, and that is part number 3340. Those retail for $25. And the last part I want to look at is your TQI Bluetooth module that mounts to the back of your controller, and that is part number 6511, and those retail for $39.99. To purchase any of the products we talked about here today, or on my other Rustler upgrade video, head on over to our website at www.ddgamezone.com. And we made it easy for you. You can search by part number. If you liked the video, please click the subscribe button. Also turn that little bell on to get notified.